time to install our paddle shifters from JantaMods. JantaMods? Yeah, JantaMods. Well, whoa, sorry, dude. Janta. Yeah. So we got both of the paddle shifters. We have for decelerating and for accelerating. We got two 3Ms. 3Ms. Well, I get the red paddle shifters because it goes good with my interior, I guess, because I have red interiors, but I don't know. So we have these Chinese non-woven wipes adhesion promoter, which I think I have to wipe on my paddle shifters here and to the paddle shifter extenders. So let's try that. Well, the packaging didn't come with a instruction, so I'm just assuming right now. And yeah, well, first I'm gonna clean this up in here. It's actually really dry, so I'm not sure if it's even doing anything right now. And then I'm gonna take this. It says an adhesion promoter. Yeah, take one of these guys here. Oh, did I grab the right one? Yes, I think I did. Oh my god, it smells like rugby here. Okay, so there we go. It's pretty simple, so you don't really need an instruction, but it would be good to have an instruction just because there's really nothing in the box. But that's just me. Okay, I'm having trouble taking away the 3M cover. But you know, I'm not really mechanically inclined or really good at doing this stuff, especially vlogging. There we go. Let me hold that one though first, just to feel it. There we go. Easy installation. So I'm just gonna press it a little bit, just because so that it will stick properly. But I mean, if it doesn't really stick properly, you can just grab a Gorilla double-sided tape or another 3M. That should work. It's not really that. Well, I think that's secured. It's like, yo, is it? Well, it kind of works if you use it in here. See? But if you're really pressing it at the very top, it's not. I don't think it's working properly, but yeah, there we go. Let's try the next one. Here, let's grab this. Oh, hopefully it doesn't really ruin the red letter. Hopefully not. Okay, there we go. Smells like rugby in here, man. Rugby boys. Okay, well, here we go. Adhesive promoter, or what was it called again? Okay, I rip it off, and of course I rip it off in here. It's a adhesion promoter. Adhesion promoter. That's it. Promote the adhesion, bro. Gotta promote it. JantaMods, guys. You can message him over on IG or whoa, I forgot. Yeah. Gotta be careful, dude. Gotta be careful. And there we go. See? So this particular model is for the TLX 2020 Lit A-Spec. And if you go message him on IG, he can actually give you his website. He has also the website in there, and he can also walk you through over to his website if you're having trouble or anything. Usually his website asks for a password. You can ask him the password. I think it's just the same password, but I'm not gonna share it to you, the password, because as I said, message him over on IG. Because I mean, there's a password in there for a reason. I don't know why, but that's just how it is. Okay, there we go. Press it a little bit. And voila, I think that's attached. It's really good. But yeah, if you're gonna press it, whoa, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Like, if you're gonna press it using the very top, it's not gonna stick properly, dude. Or did I just mess up on sticking it properly? I don't know. But yeah, sorry about the bad word. But sure, yeah, that's pretty much attached. Just don't use this one, I guess. I mean, isn't that why we have an extender, so that we can use it while we having in here? It's working. It works. It looks good. Well, to my perspective, it looks really good. But yeah, I don't think it is secured enough that you are able to use this one. Well, I guess if you're gonna use 3 fingers. Well, even though if you're using 3 fingers, I'll still have to go down like this. I don't know. Looks good though. I like it so much. Thank you so much. Well, I'm not. Okay. Yeah, I think that's secured. Looks good. Thank you so much for your time and checking out. It's not really much of a review. I am just documenting what I'm doing right now so that I can also see what I did 5 years from now, right? Thank you. Thank you. That's everything.